Alright. What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're busting open another Scentbird. If you've seen my previous videos on this, it's basically a monthly subscription box that gives you perfumes and colognes. If you like hand creams or candles, they've got a whole bunch of stuff that's all about making your body feel better. The one that I get every single month is the men's cologne. I have in the past got a couple different perfumes for my lady, so if that's something that you're interested in, you want to get your girlfriend, your mom, your grandma a perfume, something that maybe you want to try out, you can also do that with your subscription box. So before we even bust this thing open, look in the description bar down below for your link where you can click, sign up, get yourself one free month, give it a shot, try it out, see if you like it. If you do like it, it's only $14.95 a month to keep it. So let's bust this thing open. Let's see what we got, guys. Come on, let's go. I never remember which colognes I put on there because my list goes on and on and on forever, and I just keep adding them on. And it's always like a pleasant surprise to see what I got. And the way that I pick my scents, essentially what they do is they give you like a list of what ingredients are in there or what the smells are, and I pick it based on that. Sometimes I'll pick my scents just based off of somebody else. Like I'll catch a whiff of some other dude and I'm like, yo man, what are you rocking? You know what I mean? It's you gotta look at how you gotta look at it. So this is how it'll come in a nice little package like this. It'll come in a little cardboard tube. And like I said, it is a 30-day supply, is what they say. The tube looks about this size, but this is definitely more than 30 days as far as I'm concerned. They count 30 days with 4 sprays per day, and I definitely don't wear it every day. I also definitely don't put 4 sprays on. So today's scent is looks like Tommy Bahama for him. Very cool. Let's take a smell and see what this thing smells like. Yeah. So this is like it's almost like Perry, I guess. It's fruity, and I got this because it's my spring cologne. You know, I like to get different colognes based on different seasons, right? So let's open up the little information guide here. They'll tell you exactly. Tangerine, watermelon, ginger, tonka, and amber. That's the scents that we got here. It's a little bit of sandalwood. I like sandalwood. Very good, very good. And don't forget, guys, you are getting the name brand stuff when you're buying these. They're not sending you the knockoffs. They're not sending you like a mimic brand or a mimic scent. They're actually sending you a sample size or a month's trial size of the actual cologne. And what's cool is if you like it, if you really want it and you want the whole bottle, rather than go to Amazon or some other online dealer to buy it at like a ridiculous price, Scentbird gives you a discount on purchasing the whole thing. If you do like it, you can throw that whole thing right into your order. And I did mention earlier, they also have hand creams and lotions. They're starting to put out some candles and stuff. They actually sent me one of these in my previous months, and I'll show you here. This is a hand cream, cucumber and lotus hand cream. And I'm not one to wear hand creams, guys, but I mean, if you look at my hands, they're a little rough around the edges. And the hand cream here is one of those things that helps you out. So if you take a look, it's a soothing blend of calming cucumber and lotus to help you throughout the day. And it does last a while. One thing that I noticed with hand creams, you know, when you go to these farmers markets and stuff, they have out the hand creams that you can try. They make your hands really, really greasy, and it's like you have slippery hands all day, and I didn't like that. That is not the case with the Scentbird hand cream. If you are already a Scentbird member, you probably already got your free sample of this to try it out. And if you have, put your comments down below. I want to know what you guys think. Is this something that you're interested in? Are you going to be ordering more hand creams instead of the colognes? For me, I'm all about the colognes. I love this service. I love Scentbird. There's not much that I can say bad about it. They are not sponsoring this video, guys. This is something that I pay for every single month out of my pocket, and I've been subscribed to these guys for well over a year. I've been doing this for so long, I've got a stockpile. So these are the little canisters that they come in. So they're little containers that you slide your perfume or your cologne in, and they can pop in and out so you can change them. This one that I've been using is the Umio one, and it's almost empty. It's a good smell. And they do have different colors of these, so maybe you don't like the black. Maybe you want something like this, like a frosted blue. You can get that as well. And you can see they pop in and out very easily. This is another Umio. I don't even know how to say half the stuff that I order, guys, to be honest with you. But they do come in these cool little cases. You can also get as many of them as you want. You know, I've got a few of them, one I keep in the car, one I keep at work, one I keep at home. So it's good to have them, you know, wherever you want. And look, they pop in and out easy. This is the Versace. I'll show you guys a whole bunch of the other ones that I got. I'm gonna make it rain cologne here, okay? Let's make it rain. There we go. Look at them all. This is how long I've been subscribed to these guys. I've gone through, I found some scents that I like, what I don't like. You can see some of them are empty. I save the empties so I can reorder them if they ever pop up. This one here, Malin and Goat's Dark Rum, was probably one of my most favorite ones that these guys had. It was just a different, unique smell. It actually smelled kind of like rum, but not in that alcoholic, I have a problem way. It was musky and different. So that was a nice one. But guys, check them out if you're interested. You can get things like Gucci. Who else we got in here? Kenneth Cole. We've got some Versace. We've got Giorgio Armani. The Malin and Goats here. The Dolce Gabbana. I mean, the brands that go on and on. If something new is hitting the market, they've already got it listed on there, so you can get it in your monthly box. Make sure you use the link down below. Get yourself a free month. That's right, you sign up, you get 1 month for free on me. Alright guys, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you click subscribe and the bell icon so you can be notified when new videos just like this come out. But that's it guys, I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.